Let us see another problem. Total number of Ca2 plus and Cl minus ions in 222 grams of calcium chloride. These are the options. Again we have to write given. Here see, this is given. Mass of calcium chloride CaCl2 222 grams. What we know from concept? Molar mass of CaCl2, that is equal to calcium 40, Cl2 71, 111 grams. Okay. Using concept, we have to calculate number of moles. Number of moles of CaCl2 is equal to mass given by molar mass. Okay. Molar mass. Clear? Mass given how much? 222. Molar mass how much? 111. That is equal to 2 mole. Okay. What we know? 1 mole produces Avogadro number. See, 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23. That is nothing but N. Clear? But calcium chloride ionages to produce Ca plus 2 and 2 Cl minus. From this equation we can say 1 mole of calcium chloride produces 1 mole Ca plus 2 and 2 mole Cl minus. Clear? So total number of moles here 3. For 1 mole of calcium chloride, total number of ions 3 moles ions. 3 mole ions. Clear? 3 moles ions. Now from given, how many moles we have derived? 2 moles. So 2 mole calcium chloride produces how many ions? Clear? 3 into 2, that is equal to 6 mole ions. Okay? 6 mole ions. See, from this relation, what is this relation? 1 mole is equal to N. Okay? From that relation, 1 mole is equal to N ions. Therefore, 6 mole is equal to how many ions? 6N ions. Clear all of you? 6N ions. So third option is correct. Understood all of you? See how have calculated. What procedure have you applied? Mass of calcium chloride given. This is molar mass of calcium chloride not given in sum. Okay, that can be written from previous videos. From concept, that is called concept. Molar mass of calcium chloride. Calcium value 40, Cl2 value 71. 40 plus 71, 111 grams. Okay, using these two, we can calculate number of moles of calcium chloride. Mass of given by mass, molar mass. 222 given C. Molar mass 111. 2 moles. Okay, what we know from concept again? 1 mole is equal to Avogadro number. Okay, calcium chloride ionages to produce Ca plus 2 and 2 Cl minus. This is 1, this is 2. 1 mole of calcium chloride, this is 1. 1 mole of calcium chloride is equal to 1 mole calcium ions and 2 moles Cl minus ions. Total moles 3 moles ions. Clear? So 2 moles calcium chloride produces how many? 6 moles ions. Okay, 1 mole is equal to N ions. So 6 moles is equal to how many ions? 6 N ions. Clear all of you? Note down fast. Let us see 7th problem. Calculate mass of sodium which contains same number of atoms as are present in 4 grams of calcium. These are options. Again, we have to write given. Here given mass of calcium. Mass of calcium, that is equal to 4 grams. One more given condition. Same number of atoms in sodium and calcium. Number of atoms of sodium is equal to number of atoms of Na is equal to number of atoms of calcium. Number of atoms of calcium. This is also given. Number of atoms of sodium is equal to number of atoms of calcium means number of moles of sodium is equal to number of moles of calcium. From this we can write number of moles of sodium is equal to number of moles of calcium. Why we know from concept? 1 mole is equal to an atoms. Okay, number of atoms of sodium is equal to number of atoms of calcium means number of moles of sodium is equal to number of moles of calcium. But what we know, but mole is equal to, but number of moles is equal to mass by gram atomic mass or molar mass. Mass by molar mass or gram atomic mass. That is nothing but gram atomic mass for monoatomic species. Okay. Now, what is mass of sodium? What is mass of sodium? X. It is to be calculated. What is molar mass of sodium? That is nothing but gram atomic mass, 23 grams. Clear? That is equal to. What is mass of calcium given? See, 4 grams. Okay, 4 grams. Clear? By what is molar mass of calcium? That is nothing but gram atomic mass from table, 40 grams. Clear? Therefore, X is equal to 4 by 40 means 1 by 10. Okay, 23 by 10, that is equal to 2.3 grams. Clear all of you? Very, very simple. Here, given condition is mass of calcium given 4 grams. One more given condition is number of atoms of sodium is equal to number of atoms of calcium. That is nothing but number of moles of sodium is equal to number of moles of calcium. What we know, number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass. In case of monoatomic species like metals, that is gram atomic mass. See, gram atomic mass of sodium. Gram atomic mass of sodium, that is standard 23 grams. Okay, gram atomic mass of calcium, that is also standard 40 grams. Okay, these two values we should use in this relation. Mass of sodium not known, let it be X. Molar mass of sodium 23 grams. Mass of calcium given 4 grams. Molar mass of calcium 40 grams. We know this is. So X is equal to 23 by 10, 2.3 grams. So option is second option correct. Clear all of you? Note down fast. Let us see 8th problem. From 200 milligrams of carbon dioxide, 10 power 21 molecules are removed. How many grams of CO2 will be left? Again, 4 options given. See, we have to write given condition. Given. What is given? 200 milligrams of carbon dioxide. Mass of carbon dioxide given. Clear? That is equal to 200 milligrams. Okay? Next, from previous videos, what we know? From previous data, we can write 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules is equal to molar mass. Okay, molar mass of carbon dioxide. Molar mass. Okay, molar mass of carbon dioxide, that is 44. Okay, now write down. See, 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. Okay, that is equal to 44 grams. 44 grams, that is nothing but 44 into 10 power 3 milligrams. Clear? 44 into 10 power 3 milligrams. Therefore, 10 power 21 molecules is equal to how much? X. Okay. Therefore, X is equal to 44 into 10 power 3. Okay. Into 10 power 21 by 6.023 into 10 power 23. Clear all of you? 10 power 23. That is equal to 10 power 23. This is 10 power 24. That is 10 power 1 into 6 something. 6 7 are 32. Okay. Point left 2. Okay. 6 3 are 18. Okay. Again 7.33 into 10 power 1. That is nothing but 73.3 something. 73.3 milligrams. Clear? This is mass of oxygen removed. This is mass of oxygen removed. Clear? Mass of oxygen removed. Now mass of oxygen left. Mass of oxygen left. That is equal to mass of oxygen given. Mass of oxygen given minus mass of oxygen removed. Mass of oxygen removed. How we have calculated this value? We have calculated 10 power 21 molecules are removed. Okay. Initially we have calculated mass of 10 power 21 molecules. What we have given? 10 power 21 molecules are removed. So mass of 10 power 21 molecules, how much mass? 73.3. 200 minus 73.3, nearly 200 minus 73.3, nearly 126.9 something, 126.7 something. Okay, that is milligrams. Now see options: gram, 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 gram. Units grams. Here unit milligrams. That's why this value should be converted into milligrams. Okay. See, 1 gram is equal to 10 power 3 milligrams. 1 milligram is equal to 10 power minus 3 grams. Okay. What is this value in grams? Into 126.7 into 10 power minus 3. That is equal to 0.1267 roughly grams. Okay. So 0.1269. Clear? Second option correct. See how I have calculated. First we have to write given. Mass of carbon dioxide given 200 milligrams. From data what we know, 1 mole is equal to 6.023 10 power 23 molecules. That is nothing but molar mass 44 carbon dioxide. 6.023 10 power 23 molecules mass 44 grams. 44 in 10 power 3 milligrams. So in given problem 10 power 21 molecules of carbon dioxide are removed. What is the mass of 10 power 21 molecules? How can we calculate? Let it be x. X is equal to 44 into 10 power 3 into 10 power 21 by 6.023 10 power 23. That is equal to 73.3 milligrams. Okay. Now mass of oxygen left is equal to mass of oxygen given, mass of oxygen removed. 200 minus 73.3, that is equal to nearly 126.7 milligrams. But in options units are grams. That's why this milligram should be converted into grams. How can we convert milligram into grams? Okay, that should be multiplied with 10 power minus 3. Clear? Second option is correct. The next problem. Which of the following occupies maximum volume at STP? Okay, option 1 0.1 mole SO2. Option 2 6.023 10 power 21 molecules of NH3. Option 3 14 grams of nitrogen. Option 4 0.2 gram molecule of CO2. Okay, to solve this type of problem, see all of you carefully. To solve this type of problem, we have to convert all into number of moles. What we know from data given, okay, 1 mole is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. That is equal to molar mass. Okay, that is equal to 1 gram molecule. 1 gram molecule. Clear? That is equal to 22.4 liters at STP. Okay, 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters at STP. This is the relation. Okay. But 1 mole is equal to 6.023 10 power 23 molecules. 1 mole is equal to molar mass. Okay. 1 mole is equal to 6.023 10 power 23 molecules. 1 mole is equal to molar mass. 1 mole is equal to 1 gram molecule. Clear? That's why all these should be converted into mole. See 0.1 mole of SO2. Okay. First one. 1 mole of SO2 is equal to 22.4 liters. Therefore, 0.1 mole of SO2 is equal to how much volume? 2.24 liters at STP. Clear? So, first option 2.24 liters. See, second one. 6.023 into 10 power 21. What we know? 6.023 to 10 power 23 is equal to 22.4 liters. This is equal to 1 mole. Okay. 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules is equal to 1 mole. We know that is equal to 22.4 liters. Now 6.023 into 10 power 21 is equal to how much? How much? See, let it be x. That implies x is equal to 22.4 into 6.023 into 10 power 21. Okay, by 6.023 into 10 power 23. That is nothing but, so this cancel, 10 power minus 2. So that is equal to 0.224 liters. Simply this is 6.023 10 power 21. How much? This is nothing but 0.01 moles. Third one, 14 grams of nitrogen. Okay, what we know? 1 mole nitrogen, 28 grams nitrogen is equal to 1 mole. So 14 grams N2 is equal to how many moles? 0.5 mole. What we know? 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters. So 0.5 mole is equal to how much? 22.4 liters into 0.5, that is equal to 11.2 liters. So third one is 11.2 liters. First one is 2.24 liters. Second one is 0.224 liters. Third one is 11.2 liters. Now fourth one. What is fourth one? 0.2 gram molecules of CO2. Okay. What we know? 1 gram molecule is equal to 1 mole. Okay. Fourth one. 1 gram molecule is equal to 1 gram molecule is equal to 1 mole. Now 0.2 gram molecule is equal to how many moles? 0.2 moles. What we know? 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters. Okay, 0.2 mole is equal to how much? 22.4 into 0.2, that is equal to 4.48 liters. Clear? So, what is the volume obtained from first option? 2.24. What is the value obtained from second option? 0.224. What is the value obtained from third option? 11.2 liters. What is the value obtained from fourth option? 4.48 liters. Okay, among these values, which value is higher? 11.2 liters is higher. So, correct answer is 14 grams of nitrogen produces maximum volume. Clear all of you? First option occupies only 2.24 liters. Second option occupies only 0.224 liters. Third option occupies 11.2 liters. Fourth option occupies 4.48 liters. How I have calculated? All given values, okay, have been changed into moles. If we change given values into moles, we can easily calculate volume occupied by gases. Clear all of you? So this value is in mole, we need not change. This value is in molecules, we should change molecules into moles. This value in grams, we should change grams into moles. This value in gram molecules, this gram molecule should be changed into mole. If we change these values into moles, we can easily calculate volume occupied by these gases. Why? Okay, why? 1 mole is equal to 22.4 liters at STP. Clear all of you? Using this relation, we can calculate volume. Clear? Note down. See another problem. This is very important for NEET and JEE main. JEE. See this model. Match the following. This is column 1, 4 given. This is column 2, 4 answers given. Okay, we have to match column 1 with column 2. How can we calculate this? See this one. First we have to calculate answers for column 1. 2 gram at A. 2 gram atom helium. Okay, 2 gram atom helium. Okay, it should be converted into mole. 1 gram atom is equal to 1 mole. That is equal to helium 4 grams. Helium 4 grams. So 2 gram atom is equal to 2 mole. That is equal to 4 grams, that is equal to 8 grams. This is equal to n, this is equal to 2n. Okay, atoms here. Okay, 2n means 2 into 6.023 into 10 power 23, that is equal to 12 point something 046 into 10 power 23 atoms. Clear? So for A, correct is Q. So first one you tick 1 and 2. So third one is wrong, fourth one is wrong. Why? Answer of A is Q. See how I am writing. Answer of A is Q. So you check. A answer Q. So there is Q in option 1, there is Q in option 2. See, these 1 may be correct, 2 may be correct, but 3 is wrong, 4 is wrong. We need not think about 3 and 4. We have to focus only 1 and 2. Next we should go for B. B. 33.6 liters of ozone at STP. What we know? 22.4 liters of ozone is equal to 1 mole. That equals to 48 grams. Clear? 48 grams. We can also write molecules. Okay. 33.6 liters of ozone is equal to how much? 1.5 mole. That is equal to 48 plus 24. That is equal to 72 grams. See, 33.6 liters of ozone at STP is equal to how much? Either 1.5 mole. Not in this answer. Either 72 grams, okay, 72 grams there. So for B, option is S. B option S. Again, in 1, B option S, in 2, B option S. Both are correct. Then we should go for third. C. 0.25 mole of N2O. C. 0.25 mole of N2O. 1 mole of N2O, that is equal to 24 plus 16. That equals to 28 plus 16, that equals to 44 grams. 1 mole of N2O is equal to 28 plus 16, that is equal to 44 grams. Okay. Now 0.25 mole of N2O is equal to 44 by 4, that is equal to 11 grams. We can calculate grams, we can calculate molecules, we can calculate volume, anything. So here answer in grams, that way I am calculating grams. Okay, 11 grams correct. So C option correct, P. Okay, C option correct, P. So this is C option R, this is C option P. So this one correct, this one wrong. We need not check fourth again, but I am checking fourth one also. 3.011 into 10 power 22 molecules of CO2. What we know? 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of CO2 is equal to 1 mole. Okay, that is equal to 44 grams. That is equal to n molecules. We can write anything. Okay, but here answer is 0.05 mole. Answer in mole. Okay, 6.023 into 10 power 23 is equal to 1 mole. Therefore, 3.01 into 10 power 22 molecules, okay, is equal to how many moles? X. Therefore, X is equal to 3.01 into 10 power 22 into 1 by 6.023 into 10 power 23. That is equal to 0.05 mole. So, for D, option is for D. Option is R. R answer. Okay. For A, answer is Q. For B, answer is S. Okay. So in option 1, A answer Q, B answer S. See, both are correct. 3 wrong, 4 wrong. Now we have to check C and D. C answer P. In option 1, C answer R. So option 1 wrong. In option 2, C answer P. So option 3 correct. Okay. But I am checking D. Option D also. Okay. D answer 6.023 10 power 23. We know 1 mole. 3.01 in 10 power 21 molecules is equal to how many moles? 0.05 moles. So 0.05 is in R. Okay. So for B, option is R. See, check. D option R. So A option Q, B option S, C option P, D option R. So second option correct. Clear all of you? Very important model. This is the way of checking. Okay, matching. Column A given, column 2 given. Okay. In column A, there are 4 contents. In column 2, there are 4 answers. We have to compare A answer in column 2, B answer in column 2, C answer in column 2, D answer in column 2. Okay. This is the way of checking. This is the way of comparing. This is way of matching. Clear all of you? Thank you. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe. I will give some more numerical problems related to mole concept in next video. Thank you.